Hey guys, listen. Suppose you could change your face in any of your videos and add another face through AI, or change it with anyone's face. How about that? Obviously, it would be very interesting and amazing. Let's see how to do it. For example, see this demo video. Hey guys, listen. Suppose you could change your face in any of your videos and add another face through AI, or change it with anyone's face. How about that? Obviously, it would be very interesting and amazing. Let's see how to do it. Guys, it looks like funny and cool because I used a random face just to make the tutorial. You can use your target face. Let's start the main process.
First, open a browser and search for Hagen. This is the site, a video generator. Now you need to sign up or sign in. I already signed in. Listen, if you are a new user, you will receive 1 coin for free. With the coin, you can use this site's features. Now we need to click the Labs button. Now select the face swap. This is the Face Swap Studio. Now you need to upload a video that you want to swap faces. So I uploaded it. Now loading. Now we need to wait a minute. Uploaded done. As you see here already has some of the default faces. Also you can use this. Now I want to upload my own choice of face. So first I download a face. Now I need to upload this face. So click upload and upload your face. After uploading is done, now select the face that you uploaded. Now we need to click the face swap button. Now we need to wait a minute. Look, guys, I got the output. But listen, the face will not change totally. It's just changing the face, not the whole head. Let's compare the original one and the face swap new video. I hope you find the difference between the original and the new video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family.